Hi everyone, I am very excited to show you SapTapApps. SapTapApps is an application or a website that I found as I'm learning about maple syrup production this year, as it's something that the ag program and FFA chapter that I am now in has done since the 80s. So we're fully in charge of the maple syrup operation at the school, and SapTapApps is a website I came across as I was looking for really a tree mapping app. Either way, or while I was not able to find a mapping app, I was able to find this website, which it's a really great record keeping system. So if we click on SAP collection logs, this will bring up all of your sugar bushes or each of your locations where you're collecting sap. Then you can enter logs for each individual site. So whenever you collect sap, you can put that in. And again, it's just a record keeping system. We'll put in sugar content, and that will help us to evaluate our syrup production for our trees. So if we go back to Maple Logs Home, this is what I'm really excited for. Well, both things, the syrup production logs. Tomorrow is our first boil, so we'll have some maple syrup tomorrow, so we'll be able to put in the date that was made, how much sap we used, and how many gallons of syrup that actually made. We'll also be able to test and track the density and the actual grade of the maple syrup. Again, going back to home, this analytics. I'm really excited to use the analytics with my students to look at our data from the entire season. And then as we continue to use this year after year, we'll be able to compare our data from year to year. So analytics, again, up here you can select your location, and we get 4 different graphs here, or charts, that we can analyze. It also has this Flowcaster, which I'm still experimenting with to see how accurate it is, but it is supposed to tell you how much sap you can expect from your trees based on the weather and pressure systems in your specific locations. Sap Maps is pretty cool because we can look at everyone who is using this website across the United States. So we can compare our collections to someone, say, out here in Buffalo. So, wow. Their first collection was similar to us with 0.77 gallons per tap, but they're way up there with over a gallon or close to a gallon per tap per day. So that's quite interesting. It'll be interesting for us to see if our efficiency goes up like theirs did. And then last thing is syrup temps. You can collect your temperature based on your current location. So that's SapTapApps in a nutshell. I'll keep you guys updated as we continue to use this throughout the season and are able to analyze data. I am planning to make a post about this in the Ag Ed Discussion Lab because I know there are some other applications out there that other teachers have used that are unfortunately not available anymore. So I'm interested to see if other teachers are using this, or if there's something else that they use specifically for the tree mapping and kind of making a map of our sugar bush. So there you have it. There is SapTapApps. Thanks for watching.